Open Google Chrome and type Node.js. Enter. Click on download. My operating system is Windows 11. So I'm installing for Windows. If your operating system is different, you can install your operating system like Mac OS, Linux. You click on Windows installer, will be installed here. Click on it. Next, tick the box. Next, 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 install. Open VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Here in three dots, open terminal, new terminal. We can check whether Node is installed or not using the command node-v and also npm using the command npm-v. And to create React app, we need to use the command npx create hyphen react hyphen app @ latest folder name. I am using folder name as all-in-one. Now it is installing. It will take a couple of minutes. We can wait. cd space folder name all-in-one. Enter npm start. To start our React app. Now it will be in localhost 300. It will show the application. It came. Now we open folder. You can see in users. Select folder. We will start. We opened folder. We can see here we have source code and I've just control yes. We can see here it changed to hi, subscribe my channel, like, comment, share.